Hello guys, welcome once again to this YouTube channel Corex TV, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to restart your Nexus CLI node that you're running. Now for each new day that you are mining Nexus, when your system shuts down or goes off or logs out, you're supposed to restart the whole program. Now there's a way to do it, because if you don't restart the program, you'll be receiving this error, failed to connect to orchestrator. So I'm going to show you how to restart your Nexus program. I'm going to be leaving the code in the description channel below. As you can see, mine has already went off, so I'm going to be restarting this particular one. Let me see this one, the same error here. So let's do this now. So first of all, you know the drill. You should have been mining already for you to be able to do this. So the code has been previously imputed here, so I'm going to first of all exit or close this code that is running here. And when I've closed the code, the next thing I'm going to do is imputing the command that I want to do, because as you can see, I've already done it before. So now, as you see there, sudo systemctl restart Nexus. So when you impute this code, it's going to request for your password. Now you're going to put your password carefully, not to make any mistake. Now when you impute your password, you click in enter. So you have officially restarted the Nexus service. Now it's because the Nexus service went offline, when your system went offline. So when you come online, you are meant to restart the Nexus service. Now after that, you're going to reload the daemon. Now when you click enter, you have already reloaded it. Now after reloading the daemon, the next thing is to start Nexus service. So remember, the first thing we did was to restart Nexus service. Now we reloaded the daemon. Now we are now starting our Nexus service. So as it stands now, our Nexus service has started running, but now we need to confirm the logs. Now when we do confirm the logs, which is it will help us jumpstart the whole process, and mining will resume. So as you can see here, the whole process have been jump started. So let's see what will happen. So this is Nexus. Now welcome to the network Nexus CLI, setting up CLI configuration. So this is going to load for some time. Let's just wait so that you will see. So I will be leaving the necessary codes you need in the description channel below, so that it will be easy for you to access. Okay, yeah. So remember, please, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, I plead with you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel Corex TV. It will help us grow very well. Please, I'm really in need of it. Yeah, I would love to hit 1,000 subscribers this year. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also like my videos if you enjoyed it. Yeah, give us thumbs up. It's good. So it's still loading. Yeah, it takes quite some time though. Maybe let's say 2 to 3 minutes or less. Yeah, because I'm currently running over about 3 nodes on my PC. As you can see here, this is one node that is running here. Then inside the node that is running, I do have other nodes that are also running. So most times I do jumpstart it. So in one account I could have 3 accounts running. Yes, that's 3 different nodes running for that one account to help bootstrap my process. Because remember, they say this is a parallel blockchain. So you have to run more than one node in parallel, and it's going to count for you. Yeah, it's going to count for you. So though I'm not among the builders, but there are some terms you use in coding, in command, and we recognize those terms. So that was why I did this. Yeah, I was willing to take the risk because I know it was gonna count. So it's still loading. Let's just wait a little and see. But trust me, if you do this, impute these 4 codes, 1 2 3 4, you're good to go. your system will jumpstart and you will start what? Mining immediately. So what is taking time actually right here is that it is connecting to the Nexus what? Network. Yeah. So it's still connecting, though it's taking quite some time, but hopefully we're going to get there. It's still connecting. Okay. So you see, it do take quite some time, though the duration it will take actually depends on your PC. Yeah, if you're using a very good PC, it's not gonna waste so much time. Yeah, or if you're using a PC with a low RAM, yeah, it's gonna take some time, but it's well. Trust me, it's well. You can see this has also failed, so let me also jumpstart it here. So you first of all end the this node by clicking on Ctrl C. And when you click on Ctrl C, you then you will start the node service. It will request for your password. You click enter, then you're going to load the daemon, reload the daemon, and after reloading the daemon, you're going to start the Nexus service. Now starting the Nexus service now, let's now launch the Nexus. So we've also launched it here. Good, it's connecting. So either of them is going to connect and we're all good to go. Well, I'm just waiting for some time, for it to start, and so that you will see that it actually worked. Okay. So it's still loading. It's still loading. Remember, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of this lovely updates. Yeah, we upload videos regularly, to help guide people on how to set up things. YouTube is a wonderful environment for learning. I learned from YouTube, and I'm actually contributing my own quota of my little knowledge to the YouTube industry for others to benefit. Yeah. So, and Nexus is one of the ways we can do that. So it's taking some time, but trust me, it's gonna load. So as you can see, our node has connected successfully. Okay, so it's not that difficult. This is all you have to do to restart your Nexus node. Please do this so that you're going to mine enough before the end of the node program that's gonna end today, 9 a.m. Pacific time. Okay, and please, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much. God bless.